Imagine you're a doctor trying to navigate a tiny blood vessel during a heart procedure. The problem? The images you have are like blurry, 2D snapshots of a 3D world, taken from just a few angles. That's what X-ray coronary angiography, CA, gives us. Dynamic 2D images of the heart's blood vessels, but with major limitations. Here's the challenge. These images are sparse, noisy, and distorted by the heart's constant motion. Traditional methods rely on time-consuming manual work or error-prone automated tools, which aren't practical in a real clinical setting. But what if we could turn those shaky, limited snapshots into a clear, 4D view of the coronary arteries, like a real-time 3D map of the heart's plumbing? That's where NerT-CA comes in. This groundbreaking technique uses a clever mix of two cutting-edge ideas, neural fields and tensorial fields. Think of neural fields as a way to learn the shape of the blood vessels from limited data, while tensorial fields act like a fast, smooth background that handles the static parts of the scene. Together, they're like a dynamic duo, tackling the chaos of sparse X-ray images. Here's how it works. Imagine you're trying to reconstruct a 3D scene from a few blurry photos. NerT-CA splits the problem into two parts. The low-rank component, the tensorial field, captures the steady background-like structures, like the overall shape of the heart. The sparse component, the neural field, handles the fast-moving parts like the pulsing blood vessels. By combining these, the system avoids the slow, error-prone steps of traditional methods. The results? This hybrid approach is way faster than previous methods. While older techniques took hours to train, NerT-CA can work with as few as 3 X-ray images. And it doesn't just speed things up, it actually produces more accurate reconstructions. Think of it as a smarter algorithm that knows exactly where to focus its attention, on the most important details. Why does this matter? For patients, it means less radiation exposure and shorter procedures. For doctors, it's a clearer roadmap to guide catheters during surgeries. And for researchers, it's a breakthrough in making 4D medical imaging practical. So next time you hear about AI in healthcare, remember, it's not just about flashy tech. It's about solving real problems, like turning a handful of blurry X-rays into a lifeline for heart patients. Stay curious, and we'll dive deeper into the science behind it all. Ever wonder how doctors get those detailed, 3D images of your heart's blood vessels during a cardiac scan? It's a tricky problem. Imagine trying to see a complex, moving structure like the heart with just a few X-ray snapshots. That's where our story begins. Today, we're diving into a cutting-edge method called NerT-CA, which tackles a big challenge in medical imaging, reconstructing clear 4D, 3D plus time views of the heart's coronary arteries using as few as 3 X-ray images. Traditional techniques often need dozens of views, which means more radiation and longer scans. NerT-CA changes the game by making every image count. So how does it work? Let's break it down. The key idea is to minimize occlusions, those annoying artifacts where blood vessels block each other in the images. The researchers used a clever trick. They softened the density near the X-ray source, like a spotlight focusing on the most important parts of the scene. This is done through a mathematical technique called masked L1 regularization, which prioritizes the areas where blood vessels are most likely to be. To test their approach, they used 2 realistic 4D heart models, XCAT and MAGIX, which simulate how the heart's arteries move over time. They generated synthetic X-ray data using a tool called TensorFlow, which mimics real-world imaging conditions. The goal? To see if NerT-CA could reconstruct the coronary arteries with fewer views, while keeping the details sharp. The results? Stunning. When compared to existing methods, NerT-CA outperformed them all in a critical metric called dice score, DSC, which measures how well the reconstructed vessels match the real ones. For example, with just 3 X-ray views, NerT-CA achieved a DSC of 0.75, while other methods struggled, some even scoring 0. And it's not just about accuracy. NerT-CA is 10 times faster to train and runs 4 times quicker during inference. That means faster scans and less time in the chair for patients. But here's the real magic. NerT-CA doesn't just rely on raw data. It uses 2 powerful tools together. A tensorial field, think of it as a mathematical skeleton that captures the heart's structure, and a neural field, a machine learning model that fills in the details. By combining these, the system learns to focus on the vessels while ignoring distractions, like the heart's background tissue. In a world where every second and every X-ray matters, NerT-CA is a leap forward. It's not just about better images, it's about smarter imaging. And who knows? This could one day lead to quicker diagnoses, safer scans, and a healthier heart for more people. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the science behind the tech. Until next time, keep exploring. Imagine a world where doctors can see the intricate pathways of your heart in 3D, like a detailed map of your coronary arteries, using just a handful of X-ray images. That's the breakthrough we're exploring today, thanks to cutting-edge research like 3D GR-CAR, a method that's redefining how we visualize the heart's blood vessels. Let's start with a challenge. Traditional 3D imaging of coronary arteries often requires multiple X-ray views, which means more radiation exposure and longer scan times. But what if we could create a lifelike 3D model from ultra-sparse data? That's where 3D GR-CAR steps in. The key lies in a clever mathematical tool, 3D Gaussian representations. Think of each Gaussian as a tiny adjustable blob in 3D space. By optimizing these blobs, positions, sizes, and orientations, the algorithm reconstructs the artery's structure. It's like building a puzzle from just a few scattered pieces. Only here, the pieces are mathematically refined to fit perfectly. This approach builds on innovations like NerT-CA, neural radiance fields, which turned 2D photos into 3D scenes, and 3D Gaussian splatting, a technique for real-time 3D rendering. But 3D GR-CAR adapts these ideas specifically for the heart, tackling the unique challenges of sparse data and dynamic movement. The results? Improved accuracy in visualizing complex vascular networks, with potential applications in faster diagnoses and safer procedures. By reducing the number of required X-ray views, it could lower radiation risks and streamline workflows in cardiology. What makes this research even more exciting is how it connects to broader trends in AI and medical imaging. From neural networks to tensor decompositions, scientists are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And with methods like NerT-CA and 3D GR-CAR leading the charge, the future of cardiac care just got a whole lot brighter.